Sinus headaches. I got 4 points for you for instant relief. So we're talking about sinus pressure allergies, right? We're heading into the fall. Here in Austin, Texas, it's just our cedar fever that's about to come on. And so you're gonna feel all those headaches right here, pressure here, maybe even pressure here, pressure between your eyes and your eyeballs, right? So number one, right here at the end of your eyebrows, right? You're gonna feel a little divot. You wanna press hard. Oh, it is very sore. And then number two, middle of your eyebrow, right here, middle of eyebrow, should feel sore also, right? Number three, you're gonna go right below your pupil, okay? You'll feel like a little hole back there, right? A little hole right here on the ridge of the bone. You're gonna press that, it's gonna feel sore too. And finally, number four, you're gonna go to the side. No, I'm not crazy, this is relaxation. You're gonna rub it. You're gonna rub all these 4 points every single day.
I came here actually to treat my sinuses. I had sinuses that were getting to be more and more frequent, and then also an infection that started developing every few months, about 3-4 months. It used to be once a year, and then gradually got to be more often, and so it became a bit of a problem that I wanted to take care of. It took me about a week or two, trying to just get over it, but it wasn't getting over, so that's why I came for some acupuncture treatment. And also, I think when I'm here, I think Dr. Ian helped me with the herbs treatment as well. And I think over a period of about 2-3 weeks, it really started getting better. Not only do I recovered from the infection, recovered also, I think, from the allergies itself. In the meantime, I had some other issues of pain that came for treatments, and I think acupuncture is a great help in that area. And so far now, I think for the last two weeks or so, or 3 weeks, had no problems. My symptoms are a lot better. I think he has given me also some advice about what to do to take care of my body and immune system. So I think that's all been very helpful, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Got allergies, can't breathe, then you want to pump your biceps to decrease the congestion so you can breathe again. So if you're like here in Austin, Texas, it was the allergy capital of the world. You got the cedar still here, you're congested, maybe you're dripping like crazy. Here's one technique that can help open up your sinuses and start decreasing that mucus. You're gonna flex your biceps, and you see how your bicep comes like this, and then you're gonna draw a line that goes to, draw like the end of your bicep. You're gonna draw a line here, and you're gonna feel it's like the end of your deltoid. It's called the insertion. It's really tender. You're gonna push on that for 30 seconds, right? So you can push on both sides, and that's gonna target this area, your nose. There are nerves here that are connected to your nose, and then when you press on it, you will instantly see either drippage, clearing up, or decrease of that sinus problems. All right, make sure you follow me here on TikTok. Want to get rid of your sinus headache, or what we call frontal headaches, which is this part of your head? You ever feel like your head feels like this? It's just like huge, it's pounding, right? It's pounding, and it's just like, it could be from allergies, it could be from your neck, but it's just pounding all the way up here in your forehead, and sometimes into your eyebrows and into your eyes, right? So this is a quick solution to decrease the inflammation and therefore decrease the pain within seconds. You're gonna find your elbow. Your elbow is right here. You're gonna go up and down your elbow, and you're gonna find that tender spot, because once you find that tender spot, you're gonna dig in. You're gonna dig in. Yes, it's gonna hurt like hell, but guess what? It's going to decrease inflammation from this frontal area, which will decrease your sinus headache, okay? So find tender spot, dig in. It can be up, but all focus around your elbow, right? Up and down, right? And then find a tender spot and dig in. Give this a try, let me know. Follow me on TikTok.